everyone, welcome back to our channel Knowledge Base. This is the first video of our Did You Know series. Have you ever wondered how a fan works? It blows cool air on you. But what's really happening inside? Let's find out. A fan is a machine that moves air. It doesn't make cold air like an air conditioner. It just pushes the air around you, so you feel cooler. The fan has blades. They look like arms that spin. When they turn, they push the air forward. That's the breeze you feel. Inside the fan, there is a motor. The motor gets power from electricity. When you plug in the fan and turn it on, the motor makes the blades spin. When the fan blows air on your skin, it helps sweat dry faster. That's why you feel cooler, even if the air is not cold. Now you know how a fan works. It's just blades, a motor, and moving air. Cool and simple, right? Want to learn how more things work? Subscribe for more videos.